Hey guys, Hailey here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's topic is, are your ads attractive to vets? Ultimately, as your practice expands, you will need more vets. So the question is, what do you have to do to get quality DVMs in your practice? First off, you need to make it known who you are and that you're hiring. But how do you do that? Do you just stand outside with a megaphone telling people on the street? No, you have to communicate it on the right channels, or no one who you want to hear it will listen. Advertisements are a very common method of making it known that you're hiring. But I'm sure that just like many other practice owners who are hiring, you don't know how to make your advertisements desirable to vets. What makes your practice better than all the others in their eyes? And you may ask yourself, what do these DVMs want in a practice? Now you can assume they want exactly what you wanted when you started out. But the truth is that times change, even over the course of a few months. Really, the only way you can know what they want is to ask. And the best way to do that is by surveying. Right now, you do have people around you who want to be at your practice. This could be your clients and your staff. So when you got them in and when you hired them, you obviously said or did something that made your practice desirable to them. How do you find out what it was? This is where surveys come in. So I want you to make a list of questions you want to know the answers to. Things like, what attracted you to our practice? What would you consider a good work environment? What qualities do you find desirable in a vet practice? Choose whatever questions you think will help you get information. You may find you want to ask slightly different questions to your clients and staff, as some of the things you may want to know don't apply to your patients, or vice versa. So ask questions and get as many responses as you can. Once you've done this, you're going to go over the responses to find what they want and don't want. Be careful not to focus on just one answer. You want to look for the most common answers. If 75% of people say they want a friendly environment, then that's what you're going to put in your promotion. ABC Vet Clinic is the friendliest practice around. Put those ads on the right channels and you'll start seeing results. Just make sure that what you say you are is the truth and you'll do great. Well, that's all I have for today. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.